If you're looking for a powerful angle grinder, the Makita GA7080 might seem like the perfect fit. But while it's packed with features for demanding tasks, there are some details you'll want to consider before making a decision. Let's dive in to see what makes it impressive and where it might fall short. The Makita 7-inch angle grinder is a robust corded tool designed for intensive grinding, cutting, and material removal jobs. Crafted from durable metal and heavy-duty plastic, it's built to handle tough conditions on the job site. The main aesthetic is straightforward and functional, but does it feel premium as its price tag might suggest? With a powerful 15-amp motor, this grinder reaches a high no-load speed of 8,500 RPM, ensuring quick and efficient material removal. A major comfort feature is its rotatable back handle, allowing you to adjust the angle for more control during prolonged use. This is complemented by a 3-position vibration-absorbing side handle that can be set according to your preference, ideal for reducing fatigue in heavy-duty operations. Makita stands out with its soft start technology, which minimizes jolts at startup, making it more manageable and extending gear life. This soft start feature is a major benefit over some high-powered competitors, which tend to lurch on startup. To keep maintenance low, it includes Makita's tool-less wheel guard and externally accessible brushes, allowing easy upkeep. Plus, it's equipped with labyrinth construction and zigzag varnish, which work together to protect internal components from dust and debris, a must-have for long-term durability in messy environments. Priced competitively in the high-performance angle grinder market, the Makita's durability and features make it a solid value for professionals. Be sure to check out the Amazon link below for any current discounts or deals. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this angle grinder? Cons: heavy for overhead work, no variable speed control, lock-on switch can be difficult to engage, larger build may limit maneuverability in tight spaces. Pros: high-powered 15-amp motor for efficient material removal, soft start technology for smoother startups, rotatable back handle and 3-position side handle for ergonomic comfort, tool-less wheel guard allows for quick adjustments, durable, dust-resistant design with labyrinth construction. For those seeking a reliable, powerful angle grinder, the Makita GA7080 is packed with features to enhance comfort, safety, and durability. Don't forget to check out the Amazon link below for the best offers. And if you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product insights.